Hi everyone, this is Maitri from Times of India Lifestyle team, and today we will discuss about essential mineral that is required for the human body, that is magnesium. But before that, you must have heard about vitamin D, another essential vitamin that the body requires and which we obtain from the sun. Otherwise, it is also known as sunshine vitamin. But do you know that there is a potential correlation between magnesium and vitamin D? In this video, we will explore what is that relationship and why magnesium is essential for the human body. Magnesium is an important component of the bone, and you would be surprised to know that around 60% of the magnesium of the human body is deposited in the bone. Why is magnesium important for vitamin D, or how is vitamin D's absorption or functional ability dependent on magnesium? It is very interesting to know that. So our body obtains vitamin D from sunshine, like we call it the sunshine vitamin, but in order to activate the vitamin D, which happens in the kidneys, the biological process that helps the conversion of vitamin D from the inactive form to the active form is dependent on magnesium. So that is where magnesium comes into play. Or in other words, in short term, without sufficient magnesium in the body won't be able to convert vitamin D into the active form. Now the next most important question, who is at more risk for developing magnesium deficiency? Because if you are deficient in magnesium, there is a chance you will be deficient in vitamin D as well. So we will talk about the different categories of people or individuals who are at a high risk of magnesium deficiency, and this needs to be addressed because magnesium as an important mineral is often not discussed as much as there is discussion about essential vitamins. So here are the people who need to be more careful about magnesium deficiency. People with type 2 diabetes. One of the most classic symptom of type 2 diabetes is frequent urination. Due to the frequent urination, there is a risk that the body may flush out excessive amount of magnesium with it. The second category of people who are at a higher risk of developing magnesium deficiency are those who are dependent on alcohol, or those people who consume lots of alcohol. So when you consume lots of alcohol, there is a chance that the quality of the food or the quality of the diet is impaired, and which again might be a reason why there is magnesium deficiency in your body. The third category of people who are at a higher risk of developing magnesium deficiencies are those who have gastrointestinal problems. The diseases which interfere with the digestion, they also increase the risk of magnesium deficiency. How? Magnesium is absorbed in the largest segment of the small intestine, which is called the ileum. Diseases like colon cancer, ulcer, Crohn's diseases, celiac diseases, these diseases, they impair the small intestine's ability to absorb magnesium, which further increases the risk of deficiency. The next category of people are the older adults, people who are old, people who are above 60 or 65 years of age. These people, there are several reasons why they are deficient, not just in magnesium, but also they're deficient in several other vitamins and minerals, because the rate of absorption of the essential nutrients in their body gets reduced after a certain amount of time. And the second most important reason is most of these people are on medications. The different kinds of medications, they also interfere with the body's ability to absorb essential vitamin, and this can be another reason why older people are also at a higher risk of not getting sufficient magnesium from the diet they take. Now that we have understood how magnesium is an essential mineral, how is it helpful in giving the body the right amount of vitamin D? Who are the people who are at a risk of developing its deficiency? Now it is a time to know that how to identify whether you are deficient in magnesium or not. Now there are certain symptoms which can help you understand that you are lacking, your body does not have sufficient amount of this essential mineral. The symptoms are unexplained fatigue or weakness, poor appetite, vomiting, numbness, muscle cramp, abnormal heart rate, and tingling sensation underneath the skin. It is not necessary that these signs are exclusive to magnesium deficiency, but in case you notice these signs and there are no other reasons for it, it is always advisable to visit a doctor and get medical help as soon as possible.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and leave your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more content on health and lifestyle.